Hello guys, it's the 2nd of December today. Yesterday was about making your decision, and I hope you have done that so we can get going in this step-by-step guide. You have to make the decision, and today is about why you want to do what you want. Okay? You need to have a burning hot desire for success. You need to have your why so strong that if anyone tells you you can't, if anyone comes up and discourages you, try to drag you down, your why is what keeps you going, right? That is why you need to have your burning hot why. And that's you can get by asking yourself, and keep continuously asking yourself about why do I want to be successful? Why do I want to have success? An example here. If I want to be rich, I ask myself, why do I want to be rich? Okay? The first answer could be, up in my head, could be, because I like money, right? That's not a burning hot why. You know that. But I could keep asking myself, why do I like money? Because it can give me my freedom, it can do, I can travel more if I have more money. I can do what I want, I can buy what I want. But that's not enough. You need to have the feelings with you. So, what can it give me to travel more? What can it give me to have my freedom? What pleasure? What do I enjoy with having my freedom and stuff like that? My answers. I need to come up with answers. I hope you get this. Actually, I hope I can explain it to you, so you understand what I mean. Just ask yourself, why do you want to be successful? Okay? And when you come up with an answer to that, ask yourself, why do I want to have that? Your why needs to be burning hot to keep you going toward success. Or else you will probably fail at some point or give up. Okay, and that's failing too. So that's my suggestion for you today, to find your burning hot why. And I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Bye.